All right, finally, for our vacuum boom calculations, here's my spreadsheet. So I'm going to make a copy of that. There we go. And that's where I'm going to be working to do my demo. So now we need to fill in this area here. And that's going to be the load. The load is always 1,000 pounds. So that's what this crane, this boom seems to be rated for. So I'm going to type in 1,000 and copy it down. D1, distance to the load. Well, here I'm on my 15 degree. Here's my D1. So I should be able to come back over here and I'll paste it as, oop, that didn't work. I'll just go ahead and type it in, 66.7395. And my distance to the cable, 90.7850. And it says my tension cable load, that's the tension, which I'm trying to find, equals F1, so I can click in that square, times D1, click in that square, divided by D2, click in that square. 732 pounds. And so I would go through and do that for each of these. Now I've got one that is my D1. Let me zoom in on it a little bit. My D1 is 34.9303. 34.9303. And it's putting it to 3 decimal places. That's nice. And my D2 is 66.7786. And since this is always just going straight across this row, I can just copy it down, 523. Okay, not bad. I'm doing okay. Once I have all those, I can find the maximum equals maximum of all that whole thing. So 735 is now my max. So after I get all of these inputs done, I'll know what's the strongest load that my cable will see. My strongest load that my cable will see. So now I've got my cable chart. Let's take a look at it. And it's kind of hard to read all that, so let me make it a little bit bigger. There we go. That's a little bit easier to see. And so I can see that here are my selections. GW4. Where is it, GW4? Actually, I'm not even sure that one's on here. So a GW6, 3/16 U. Oh, dash 065. There it is. Okay, so what's my max capacity? I have to, this one is asking for a U. And here's my 062. And an HS, that's a high strength. Here it is right here, high strength, 062, 2850. So what's my safety factor? It's my max, it's my max capacity divided by what I'm going to see. So it equals my max capacity divided by what I'm going to see. And it's a 3.9, just a little bit low. I think I want at least 4. So now let's look at an 065. Oh, or here's an EHS, extra high strength. That's a 3390. So here's what I do. I find what it is. And I know that's a 5. This should be a 5. 3/16, 062, that's what I'm looking for. EHS, extra high strength, 3990. So this one is my max capacity divided by the max I'm going to see, 5.4. And we'll go over and look at these, and I'll tell you how to code these to be green or not, green or red. Now I have to look at availability. Utilities in common are high availability. High strength HS is medium. And extra high strength is low. So I haven't found one that's got good availability yet. Hopefully this U will make it here. Okay, so you're going to go through these, read the chart, read the GW and the size and the strand size, 062, and whether it's high strength, extra high strength, utility, SM is Siemens, HS is high strength, and utility. So check those out and find all of these and find out whether it's low, medium, high. And then we're going to do the same type of thing with the eye bolts. Okay? When you're done, you're going to select one cable size and one eye bolt size and make it green. So that's how to finish up your vacuum boom work.